In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI. We'll walk through the full process from typing your content, to formatting it nicely, to exporting it as a PDF you can download or share, even if you're brand new to Gemini. By the end, you'll be able to go from idea to finished PDF in just a few minutes. First, open Gemini in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main chat screen, you'll see the prompt box at the bottom where you usually type your questions. This is where you'll start creating your document. Think of this chat as your drafting space, just like a word processor. Begin by telling Gemini exactly what kind of PDF you want. For example, you might type something like, "Create a professional one-page PDF guide about healthy morning routines." The clearer you are here, the better the result. Mention the audience, length, tone, and any sections you want, such as an introduction, key points, and a conclusion. After you send your prompt, Gemini will generate the content. Read through it carefully. This step is important because what you see here is what will eventually go into your PDF. If something doesn't sound right, or you want to adjust the tone or structure, just type a follow-up message like, "Make this more concise," or add a short checklist at the end. Keep refining until you're happy with the text. Next, ask Gemini to format the content in a way that will look good in a PDF. You can say something like, "Format this as a clean PDF layout with clear headings, short paragraphs, and bullet-style sections written out in plain text." Gemini will then reorganize the content with spacing and structure that translates well into a document. Once you're satisfied with the final version, you're ready to create the PDF file itself. Copy all of the formatted text. Then, open a new document in your preferred editor, such as Google Docs or another text editor that supports exporting to PDF. Paste the content in. Check that the headings, spacing, and line breaks look right, and make small adjustments if needed, like enlarging the title or adding page breaks. When everything looks good, use your editor's download or export option and choose PDF as the file type. Save it to your computer, and you now have a polished PDF that started entirely in Gemini AI, ready to share by email, upload, or print.